car to the exhaust shop to get a new exhaust put on. Nothing crazy, just the OEM exhaust. But if you can hear, I have a lot of exhaust leaks. I've been having them for years, ever since I got my car lowered. Literally the first day I cracked my exhaust and had to get it patched up. So I just got a whole new one finally after 3 years, and they finna put it on hopefully today. So that's where we're finna go. I'll show y'all the new exhaust and tell y'all what they have to do to it. They gotta transfer a couple things over, and yeah, bro. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching if you're still watching, and yeah, bro. See where we at. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So that was broke. That's a cut. That's a cut. Obviously, we got holes. And it was just broke off. So under the car, it was just rattling and shaking. But now they got the new one in. It ended up fitting. I'm doing a little welding. Got the mufflers back on. And yeah, bro. We're gonna cut the mufflers and put the 5 inches on there and the straight, the resonators and the, I know y'all heard that, that was a truck. We're gonna put the 5 inches on there and the straight pipe from right here to here. So, cause I paid good money for them 5 inches here actually. But yeah, bro, that was trash. That was been breaking for years now, since I've got my car lowered, like I said earlier. And yeah, gloomy outside, nasty outside, raining, windshield wipers still don't work, still ain't fixed my motor, got that one in the garage. But yeah, bro, still look good up here. Give y'all a side view. Okay, so y'all remember earlier all the cracks? All fixed up now. Got one clean opening. So what he's doing right now is he putting my 5-inch clip back on. So he has to cut the end of it. That's what he's doing right now. So yeah, almost done. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. I know it's gonna change the sound. It's always sounded different whenever you just got a stock exhaust and different size pipes and it already got a factory X pipe. So the sound's already mixed together. You don't really need to. I would never recommend the aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, but that's something you need to do. Anyway, I'm gonna come on whenever we get the first started again. How tight it is now. This side, I guess this side is always drilled down. I never realized that. That's probably just the way Mopar made them. I always thought it was just because, like, I guess because I bent it, but it's already different. So we finished. You can see if I can show it to y'all. Yes, sir. So whenever we first saw it, up here was all cracked bad, if y'all seen it. So now we got it all straightened out. Yes, sir. listen to how quiet it is in here now. Oh my. I can actually hear myself talk and maybe even listen to my music. Just maybe. This is actually insane. Mind you, my wipers don't work, guys, so just bear with me. We're finna go to the crib right now. Put her up. Oh my gosh. This feels weird. This shit feel weird, low-key. Come on, gang, what you doing? Turn. No, this shit actually feels weird. Bro, any other time whenever I would step on it, that shit would scream. Oh my gosh. Bro, that's pretty much it. Probably not gonna get to drive her today. I might step on it a little bit before I end the video. I'm finna turn down the main road right now. I'll probably step on it for y'all. I get a little something at least. That motherfucker popping though. Ooh, wee. Ooh-wee! Okay. Bro, listen how quiet my car is. It is on, gang. And I can hear everything on the inside now. I'm in sport. I'm in sport. It's supposed to be wet. Come on. So new to me. I haven't had a non-cracked exhaust for so long. This shit feels like an upgrade. Oh my gosh, nigga, is that what we doing? Hope y'all enjoy this POV. It was a sheriff right there, so I didn't want to step on it. And they just pulled me over for having my lights on, my color lights on, and I have the modes on right now, so I didn't want to step on it and even risk it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all so much. And yeah, bro, we'll be outside tomorrow. Don't worry about it. This ain't this. If I had my windshield wiper motor, bro, I'd be driving this hoe. But I think I'm gonna put that hoe in tomorrow.